Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all you cricket fans, put your hands together for a man who has played no less than 3 sports at the university level, India's biggest superstar, the one and only Shah Rukh Khan.
लड़के हैं हम, धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है ऐलान, छीन के भी ले लेंगे आसमान। हमारी बारी है, जीत की तैयारी है, तैयारी है।
Good evening, everyone. I'll give you a little introduction to what we are here for. From Aligarh to Chennai, from Rewa to Jaunpur, tonight and the next 15 days, 128 budding young cricketers are going to try and take over the cricketing pitch in their quest to become the future superstars of cricket in India. Kyunki ab inki bari hai. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome tonight to the biggest inter-university cricketing tournament, the University Cricket Championship. Please, a big round of applause. This is a new beginning. Aur ye kaise hua? How did this come about? 3 months of hundreds of matches, about 15 lakh budding cricketers participating in it, and then choosing the top 8 teams from the Rohinton Baria Trophy. And these top 8 teams are going to vie for the trophy in the next 15 days. And why university? Because we truly believe here at the University Cricket Championship that some of the greatest legends, some of the greatest cricketing stars, some of the greatest sportsmen have risen because of the sports at university level. Like Mr. Paulie Umrigar, Mr. Rusi Modi, Mr. Pankaj Roy, Mr. Vijay Manjrekar, and the great Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. We believe University Cricket Championship is going to create a unique platform. It will be a game changer for creating opportunities for sportsmen at the grassroots level. An order in thanks is to, of course, the BCCI for allowing us this, the Association of Indian Universities, and the HRD Ministry, and of course NDTV, which has put this whole thing together, and Star for broadcasting it. How am I associated? Wanting to be a brand ambassador, a movie star, etc. Yes, but I'm associated because I'm a sports lover, a true blue sports lover, and I'm a father and believe in sports, and that's what I've been teaching my children too. I truly believe that sports teaches us 2 qualities to build character that nothing else can. 1, sportsman spirit, and 2nd, which is even more important, a sense of team play. If these 2 things are built into the character of youngsters, I think there is great bonding and friendship which takes away from any kind of divisiveness which may arise because of caste, creed or region. We believe at the University Cricket Championship, this is the kind of character we are going to help build in youngsters at the college level. और आज जो 8 टीमें यहाँ पर participate कर रही हैं, उनको मैं बताना चाहूँगा, अगले 15 दिन तक, 15 दिन, सिर्फ 15 दिन है तुम्हारे पास, और शायद ये 15 दिन तुम्हारी जिंदगी के, और शायद ये 15 दिन तुम्हारी जिंदगी के सबसे अहम दिन होंगे। और मुझे यकीन है कि इन 8 टीमों का हर एक खिलाड़ी अगर अपनी जिंदगी का सबसे बेहतर क्रिकेट खेलेगा, तो ये 15 दिन तुमसे ऊपर वाला भी कभी वापस नहीं मांग सकता। So, ladies and gentlemen, देश के नए क्रिकेट सुपरस्टार्स हो रहे हैं तैयार, क्योंकि अब हमारी बारी है। A big round of applause to this tournament, and it gives me great honor and privilege to call on stage and present to you someone who I am a huge, big fan of. He himself is not new to university cricket. He played for the St. Joseph's College. He went on to play for the Ranji Trophy while he was still doing his BCom, and went on to get the BCom degree also. Extremely educated, soft-spoken, a gentleman. I think he epitomizes what University Cricket Championship stands for. He genuinely is the perfect role model for any sportsman in the world due to his hard work, dedication to his craft and sportsman spirit. Please welcome amidst us one of the greatest cricketers the history of game has ever seen, the wall, Mr. Rahul Dravid.
लड़के हैं हम, धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है ऐलान, छीन के भी ले लेंगे आसमान। हमारी बारी है, जीत की तैयारी है।
I am extremely privileged and honored to have Rahul besides me. I hate it when he's playing for the other IPL team, but that's another story. But thank you, Rahul, for participating and being a part of this, being a role model, supporting this great initiative. Is there anything you'd like to tell people, and then I'll ask you a few questions.
Firstly, I'd like to say it's great to be back here at the CCI. It's a ground with a lot of history and tradition. It's been one of the great venues of Indian cricket. And it's great to be here today at the start of what I think is going to be a fantastic concept and could go on to become something that is as looked forward to as anything we've seen in India. University cricket, like Shah Rukh said, and sport in universities is very, very important. I think sports in universities has gone down over the years from holding prime position, from being one of the most important events in the calendar. The Rohington Barrier has gone down over the years, and it's great to see that so many people are coming forward to make this a huge success. I'd like to firstly recognize NDTV, Star, Toyota, MRF, Fortis, Coca-Cola, the UCI, BCCI, people like Shah Rukh who've come forward to revive and support cricket in the universities. I think this is a great opportunity for the young boys of these 8 universities. I don't think they could ask for a better platform to showcase their skills. I'd like to wish all the 8 teams the very best of luck to play the game in the right spirit, to enjoy the game, but also to use this as a great opportunity to promote cricket in the universities. Gives me great pleasure to come here to support it, and I'd like to wish everyone all the very best. Thank you, Shah Rukh.
Thank you, Rahul. I'd ask, मैं राहुल से एक दो सवाल पूछूंगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो क्रिकेटर्स हैं और जो जवान लोग हैं, and thank you very much CCI for allowing us to do this. This is a wonderful ground. I would crack a joke here, but I won't. I'd like to ask Rahul. Rahul, some of the teams that are going to participate out of the 8 and the others, when they are trying to qualify, the ones in the metros, do you think unko thoda advantage hai because they get to play more tournaments and they have a little more of audience, you know, they're performing in front of a larger audience perhaps because of being in metros?
I think, Shah Rukh, the game is changing in India. I think if you look at a lot of the young cricketers today and people coming into the sport, they're actually coming in from smaller towns and cities. And I think that is the future of cricket and sport, I believe, in India. So it's great to see that, you know, there are boys and universities from slightly smaller towns, whether it's, you know, from Gwalior and places like that. It's great to see that they're competing with the metros, and I think they have all the facilities and they have a great stage to show some great performances. Yes, in the beginning, maybe the boys from the metros might have some advantages of having played more cricket, but I think some of the boys from these smaller towns and cities have a great hunger and a desire, you know, which could see them upset some of the bigger universities.
So all the boys who are listening to Rahul, please listen to this. And the fact that you're going to be in front of thousands and hundreds of television audience, develop a temperament for it. And, you know, just play the game as it should be without worrying about the audience. That's the kind of, advice I can give. And of course, I'll ask Rahul to tell you so when they're going to be playing in so much, in front of so much audience in television now. Is there a difference in temperament that you have to develop to play?
I think the most important thing is to forget that you're playing in front of so many people. I think the most important thing is to remember that it is still a game, and you have to play the game because you love it and not focus on the results. I think do all your preparation, do what is required, and then focus on just enjoying and playing the game rather than worrying about the results or worrying about the television cameras and worrying about all your friends and family watching this game or watching you play on television. It's a huge stage. It's a great opportunity, and I would see it as an opportunity rather than a pressure.
All right, so please utilize this opportunity to the fullest, and inshallah we are going to see you as the superstars of tomorrow.